Hello and welcome back to the Ultra HD Gamer, and I'm going to unbox this dual port USB wall charger I got from Walmart for $3 from $12.54 because it was on clearance. It has a micro USB cable and the 4.8 amp power brick, which is the big thing. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, which is going to be a little difficult. Yeah, I got it. Oops, I kind of broke the box. As you can see, it is just a little basic wall charger with a little micro USB port, or cord, not port, and a black web power brick with 2 USB ports. The cable is 3 feet long. I cannot speak, and it charges 2 devices, and the port has transfer speeds of, or the USB cable, not port, has a transfer speed of up to 400 megabytes a second. It has a 180 degree rotating plug, as you can see, a little LED charging indicator, and it can output 2.4 amps in each port, or 4.8, well, or with a total of 4.8 amps. I cannot speak. I mean, this is a pretty good deal, and you're getting quite a bit for the price. A decent little micro USB cable that is actually is high quality. I mean, not gonna lie, I might actually use this. And then a nice little wall charger. Please like this video if you like it, or dislike it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and bye.